So there is a small correction in previous class. Correction in lecture video number 19. That's a previous class control system. What I told you is k greater than 6, t less than 13. That's what I told you. Look at this. In RH criteria, this is the conditions we got. This is greater than 0, equation 1. This is greater than 0, equation 2. If it is equal to 0, you are getting t equal to 13, k equal to 6. Now both greater than this or both less than this, or one is greater than 6, other is less than 13, that is the confusion. So that is eliminated by this. Just look at here. 7 minus t, now k. This k, if it is going this side, what is coming is this. So minus 72 plus 6t, this k I am substituting here, greater than 0. So solve for t, you are getting greater than 13. Now in terms of k, minus 72 plus 6, then this t, if it is coming t this side, 7 plus k, then minus k greater than 0. Now simplify, you are getting k greater than 6. K greater than 6, t also greater than 13. Now these two are not independent. I will take any value t greater than 13. I take any value k greater than 6. No. Just rough idea, both are greater than, this is greater than 6, this is greater than 13. Now look at here. K greater than 6. Greater than 6 here, case 1, I have taken k equal to 12. With k equal to 12, t going this side, so t less than, this t must be less than 7 plus k. So k 12, so t less than 19. Here t greater than k plus 72 by 6. From this, t greater than k plus 72 by 6. So k is 12, simplify, you are getting 14. That means what? T greater than 14, less than 19. So t should be in between 14 and 19 if k is fixed at 12. That 12 is anyway greater than 6. If I take k equal to 24, the same way if you verify, t coming between 16 and 31. So t range is increasing when k is higher side. What is the range here? Between 14 and 19, just 5 are there. But here 16, 31 range, 15 are there. If k equal to 7, third case, same way verify, the t value between 13.16 and 14. 13.16 greater than 13.16, less than 14. So what is the variation is very, very small. So k greater than 6, 7 is also greater than 6. If I take 7, t variation is small. If I take k 12, t variation is improved. If I take k 24, t variation more improved. If I take k 100, t variation is too much higher value, it is increases. So what is the range of t depends on what value of k. Okay, so ultimately t should be greater than 13. Here it is coming between 13.16 and 14, within that is anyway greater than 13. This is also greater than 13, this is also greater than 13. But greater than 13 you can't take it indefinite, it depends on how k. So it is not independent, k depends on t, t depends on k. So if you fix k 12, any value within this range you can choose. If you take k equal to 24, any value of t within this range you select, then only both the conditions are satisfied simultaneously. So this is a beautiful concept, because both the conditions should be greater than 0, and here t is there, k is there, that is the confusion. But most of the normal problems, here k will be there, here also k will be there, and when we equate both to greater than 0, you get the range of k. But here the problem is confusion, two variables are there, both the conditions should be satisfied simultaneously. So last class we have done minor mistake. Now I am doing correction. So we got a conclusion that k greater than 6, t greater than 13, but independently any value of k greater than 6, any value of t greater than 13, you can't take it. For some value of k which is greater than 6, if you fix it to satisfy both the conditions, what is the range of t? For this value of k, t range is here. For this value of k, t range is here. So you can verify, you take k equal to 24, t value within this range, any number you take it, you verify both the conditions will be satisfied. Okay, thank you.